Well, hello, boys and girls. How are you today? It's Saturday, the 4th of November. I'm starting a new little series where every day I'm going to give you a little nugget, a little thought that I've had about selling online, regardless of whether it's eBay or another platform. It actually struck me today how much happier I am now that I have actually condensed the types of packaging that I send parcels out. It affects my business in a couple of ways. To my mind, it means the customer is happier when they get the parcel. But the other thing is it helps me because it's less types of packaging that I have to deal with. I send my parcels, and each to their own how you send them, but I send my parcels via AusPost flat rate. So what I do is I buy the padded mailers, and this is the medium size one. I buy these in bulk, in small, medium and large. In essence, what that means for me, even when I'm out thrifting, if it doesn't fit in one of these, I'm not going to buy it because I'm not going to be able to ship it without actually having to go out and buy extra materials, and I don't want to do that. So by streamlining that little system, it's made a huge difference for me in the way that I sell and the way that I run my business. It condenses it down, makes everything so much quicker and easier. I don't have to think twice. I've just got the 3 sizes. I actually do everything plus post, in case you're wondering. Some of you may be thinking, that's great for books, but what about for clothing? Well, I don't differentiate. Everything goes in those padded mailers. And that streamlines everything for me, my end, and makes things so much easier. Now, it also makes a difference with some particular types of clothing, like jeans, for example. If I was using the vinyl satchels, I'd have to buy the medium size for a lot of the jeans, and that means the buyer is going to be paying a lot more for the postage. However, because the padded mailers are a lot wider than the actual satchels, I can actually fit all my jeans in the small size of the padded mailers, which makes it a lot cheaper for the buyer. So that's my little tip, and that's my little nugget today. So now I'm actually going to show you one of my favourite sales from this last week. And this was a really good pickup. It's Dr. Axelrod's Atlas of Freshwater Aquarium Fishes. Now, just show you what it actually is. So it was a very, very large book, as you can see here, and it was very big. So it's 9 inches by 11 inches, and as you can see, it's very thick. It was in really good condition, had a nice dust jacket. I'll just flick you through some of the pictures, all full of all different types of aquarium fishes. Nice index at the back. So that's the actual book. That cost me $1. I sold it for $45 plus postage of $19.15. It was an organic sale, so there are no ad fees, and there was a transaction fee of $7.88. And then if I actually have a look over here on my daily line accounting sheet, postage on that item cost $14.78 after my Australia Post discount. Then I've got the cost of the packaging, which was about 90 cents. In all, I made a profit of $39.60 off that sale. So I'm really, really happy with that. And I hadn't had it listed for very long, which makes it even better. So it had a fast turnaround. So there you go, boys and girls. You've had a couple of little nuggets from me today, and I've shown you one of my best sales from the week. So I shall catch you tomorrow. Bye now.
So Blake, tell us a little bit about yourself, mate. What do you do?
I resell stuff.